Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to block or turn off pop-up window in Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To block pop-up window, look, I am going to visit a website youtube.com. Click on the lock icon and look here, pop up and redirect allowed. Just turn it off. And now go to another tab. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner and then click on settings. Now click on privacy and security. Scroll down. Click on site settings. Now, if you want to block this site from popping up, click on the redirect icon and scroll down. This is pop up and redirect, and this is blocked. Go back. Now scroll down. And this is pop-ups and redirects. Click on it. And now click on don't allow site, send pop-up and use redirect. Click on here. You can also go to allowed, send pop-up and use redirect and click on three dot icon here and click on block. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.